welcome back to my channel, and today we'll continue with the unboxing of some of the model railways wagons that I bought. So this is from a company called Albert Modell, and it's inside, it's a Slovenian wagon, cistern, Zas type of Gosha, and it's called Petrol, and it's from epoch number 5. So Petrol is the biggest oil company, petrol company in Slovenia, and this is the wagons that they are using. Many years ago we also had similar wagons, but in brown color, and now this is a new edition in silver. So if we take it out, the wagon feels quite nice in our hands, quite heavy, so it will hopefully drive well. So let's first have a look on this side. So this is the logo of the Slovenian Railways. Here is the sign for flammable and the name of company. This is the names, various, the length 7.2 meters. We have a lot of details. So here we have one switch. Here we have also some pump valves with marks. We have again some pipes here. So in general a lot of detail, also with the stairs, ladder to the top. On the top we have this small area where persons can also walk. On this side we have again some marks. So we have some mechanics here for marked in yellow. It's quite well colored. And on the other side we have basically the same details and the same information was there. On the below, the wheels are from metal. This one is a bit badly moved, like this. Probably during transport it moved a bit. Now they all go nicely. Also there's a lot of detail, a lot of lines, pipes below here. So in addition I also got just few tools, a few accessories to add. So of course the most important are the coupling system. We'll put it here, and also on the other side, very easy. And then we have a lot of smaller parts, but as there are no instructions with this wagon, I will need a bit of time to see where something fits, but these are some smaller things to be added probably here. So this is connected with the coupling system for the cables between the wagons, here for the brakes and this kind of things, and the same here. So also put this. So I will now put this on the tracks and let's see how it goes. But in general I'm quite happy with this wagon. It's again from Slovenian Railways, and if you are a fan of it then you will like it. So please, if you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe button and click like to the video also.